How to use Android Wi-Fi sync across devices. Android allows you to sync Wi-Fi networks and settings across its devices by logging into the same Google account, enabling seamless connections. So what you can do is you can first open up settings. Once you open up settings on your Android phone, head over to the Google option from the list of options. Once you head into Google, what you want to do is here. Now head into devices and sharing option. You should find it right here. So you can head to all services and select devices and sharing, or you can find cross device services as well. Here you can see you can proceed to enable it as well. Now under devices and sharing and cross devices services, you want to enable it. Then under what your devices can do, activate Instant Hotspot to share internet connectivity with other devices. Then you can turn on automatically share Wi-Fi to share saved network information and ensure that same Google account is logged in on all your devices. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.